Hello everyone, welcome back to Dude's Tech, and today we're diving into best wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. If you're tired of long HDMI cables running across your room or conference table, this device could completely change your setup. It's simple, clean, and designed for smooth wireless video transmission. Let's get started. Today we're talking about the Keysewable MD05 wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. The Keysewable MD05 wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver is built to eliminate cable clutter while keeping your video and audio signals strong and stable. It works with a true plug-and-play design, so there's no need for Wi-Fi, apps, or Bluetooth. You just connect the transmitter and receiver, and it starts working almost instantly with a delay of less than 0.01 seconds. That makes it perfect for meetings, classrooms, or home entertainment. In terms of video quality, the Keysewable MD05 wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver supports 1080p at 60 Hz output with 4K decoding. This means you get sharp and smooth visuals for presentations, movies, slides, or live content. The image remains clear and stable, helping your content look professional and engaging whether you're presenting at work or watching a film at home. Range is another big highlight. The device can transmit wirelessly up to 165 feet indoors and up to 328 feet in open outdoor spaces. It uses dual-frequency 2, 4G and 5, 8G chips with strong anti-interference capability. This helps maintain a reliable connection even through walls or obstacles, which is especially useful in offices, classrooms, or event spaces. Compatibility is also very wide. The Keysewable MD05 wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver works with laptops, cameras, set-top boxes, projectors, HD TVs, monitors, Blu-ray players, DSLRs, and even security cameras. This makes it suitable for business presentations, live streaming, gaming setups, or multimedia sharing. Portability is another strong advantage. Both the transmitter and receiver are compact and lightweight, so you can easily carry them in a bag. Whether you're traveling for business, hosting a backyard movie night, setting up at a trade show, or teaching in different classrooms, it's easy to set up and pack away. If you want a cleaner setup with reliable wireless HDMI transmission, this device is definitely worth considering. Check the price link in the description to learn more. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Dude's Tech for more smart tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Heme on.